Hello there. I'm Jay Bear. I'm the ambassador of Polar Bear Pitching, and I'm here to welcome you into the Polar Bear Pitching community. Hello, India. You guys have some great ideas, and we want to hear them. We want to see the best come to Oulu and come to the coolest event in Finland.
So I'm here for the polar bear pitching in the Finnish Embassy in Delhi, and with me is Samarth. He's 23 years old and he has a tech startup in Bangalore, and he's going to get into cold waters for his pitch, and if he's lucky he'll go to Finland for the finals. So Samarth, tell me, what do you do?
So I'm a Founders Office Associate at OnFinance AI, and OnFinance AI is an AI-powered regulatory compliance platform. We are working with all the financial institutions all across India and like even in the MENA region, and we help them with compliance.
You ready to jump into the cold water to share your pitch?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm looking forward to it.
Are you scared of the cold, or are you okay with it?
I'm not scared, but like I'm excited, I would say.
All right, all the best, Samarth. Here I'm at the pool where all these young contestants will have to come in and share their pitch. This is the Finnish Embassy, and it's cold outside. It's about 10 degrees. Delhi has a winter, and they're going to get into this water, which is room temperature, but it must be about the same as outside. So we're looking forward to how these young people come and take the pitches. The person who can endure the cold the most is the one who will go for the finals in Finland. The Finnish Ambassador Bear Pitching competition that you're organizing in the Finnish Embassy. Can you tell us about it? How successful was the first one? Why is it that you're having the second one here?
Well, I think the first one was really a nice experience and well attended and very good publicity as well. And happy to say that then of course the winner went to Finland for the real competition. Now, encouraged by the first edition, we decided to do the second one. And equally, I think we have a good number of participants this time and good number of media here. And I hope that these pitches that the startup entrepreneurs will have will be interesting and bring forth their talent and their innovations really in a good way.
All right, thank you. Looking forward to seeing.
Meaning India, Finland startup community is growing, the courage and the ambition is growing, not even the cold is holding us back.
It lasts only as long as you choose to stay in the icy water. It's a reminder that entrepreneurship often requires clarity of thought under pressure and the courage to continue even when conditions are uncomfortable or even extreme. To the founders participating today, I would like to say this. Standing here already reflects determination and confidence in your ideas. The icy hole may test your endurance, but it also gives you a rare platform to present your vision to an international audience.
This is true for in India also. For CSR compliance, there are periods of silence. So what we usually do is we have certain core features which we have figured would never change because these would directly give benefit.
AI Compliance Officer, AI Auditor, and AI Project Manager. So what the AI Compliance Officer does is, it auto-fetches circulars from your regulators that are relevant to your organization. So imagine that you are regulated by SEBI, you are regulated by RBI. It will go to their communication types and it will fetch out the circulars within 15 minutes when a circular is announced.
In Finland, the EV got penetrated not because of the hype.
Let's look at the lavish spread that was prepared by Katrina.
Hi, so I'm here with Katrina. She's Finnish, but she speaks excellent Hindi, and she also has a bakery in Gurgaon. So, Katrina, tell me about the food. Is this like Finnish food over here?
So today we are doing a few Nordic influenced items, for example the beetroot and pesto cups, but largely and also cranberry salad, capri salad. But largely it is a little bit more continental because we do have a mixed crowd today, but typically I would do a typical Finnish menu for the Finnish embassy, of course.
And what's your bakery called?
OTSO.
So these are the 7 contestants all lined up. There was an ambulance also just in case anybody needed medical help. All the best.